President Biden met virtually with several Democratic governors to discuss abortion rights. While around the country, legal challenges continue as at least 12 states have stopped almost all abortion services. And ABC's Faith Abube explains where abortion restrictions have been blocked for the time being.
1 week after the U.S. Supreme Court decision that overturned Roe v. Wade, President Biden meeting virtually on Friday with 9 Democratic governors.
We work closely to protect women's rights after this tragic reversal of Roe v. Wade. A terrible, extreme decision, in my view, upending lives and impacting on the health and safety of millions of women.
Democrats hoping the issue will drive voter turnout for November's midterm elections.
We either elect federal senators and representatives who will codify Roe, or Republicans who will elect the House and Senate who will try to ban abortions nationwide.
At least 12 states have ceased nearly all abortion services, but legal challenges continue. In Florida, a judge has blocked a state law banning abortions after 15 weeks. Bans in Kentucky, Louisiana, and Utah have also been temporarily blocked in court. But late Friday, the Texas Supreme Court blocking a lower court order that said clinics could resume providing abortion services.
It is very confusing for patients, for women, for pregnant people on the ground who are trying to figure out if the clinics in their area are open.
In the coming weeks, 26 states in total are likely to severely restrict or ban abortion rights, while other states are looking to protect women's reproductive rights.
Your zip code should not determine your rights.
The New York State Senate taking steps to enshrine the right to an abortion in the state constitution. And in New Jersey, Governor Phil Murphy signing a law protecting women who come to the state seeking an abortion and the healthcare providers who perform those services.
And the White House says President Biden has no immediate plans to take executive action on abortion access. However, they are pointing to things the administration has done, including the FDA moving to increase access to abortion pills. In Washington, Faith Abube, ABC News.